quick how-to short video on how to send from one exchange to another exchange that requires a memo or tag, for example, like XRP, XLM, sometimes Binance Smart Chains, and other coins. So I'm going to use crypto.com and KuCoin. Crypto.com is in receiving, but it's all the same everywhere. So if you notice, I've already chosen my XLM. That's what I'm going to use. It's the fastest way to do it, I think. Plus, it requires memo tag. What a memo tag is basically is an extra address added in. So think of it this way: your wallet address you're receiving to normally is just a house address. But when you send to exchange, it's not a house you're sending to, it's an apartment. So if you send a package to the apartment, where's it going to go after that? So the memo tag basically is the apartment number. It shows you what the apartment number where it's supposed to go. So I'm going to hit OK. Here's my information. There's my wallet right there. There's my XLM memo. So I've already copied these. I already got this set up in KuCoin. I'm going to go to KuCoin. I'm on XLM right here. I'm going to withdraw. And I'm just going to use my address right here. I already have set up. Boom. If you notice, memo is right under the network, right above the withdrawal amount. If I do not put that in there, the coins will get lost, and it's going to be a pain in the butt to get them back. So, boom, you make sure the XLM address is up top, you got the memo on the bottom, however much you can put in, and then you hit confirm. Boom, confirm. And then sometimes you have different security things you got to do. Voila, and that's it. That's how you send to crypto.com or any other exchange from another exchange that requires a memo tag.